Hello, Caroline here from Bubbly Maths. It's our mission that every child on earth will love learning and enjoy mathematics. And with that in mind, especially in view of the year we've just had, we are launching the Happy Maths. It's a Bubbly Maths course program. It's a summer camp. It's the Happy Maths summer camp, and that is happening shortly. The link is in the description, up, down, whichever way you want to look. And please send us a message if you're interested in signing on. We're going to be playing games, and so it's going to be something to entertain the children and yourselves, but to not just entertain, but also to it'll be edifying, and there'll be projects that could take them days if they wanted to. So it's going to be a great thing for them to do during the summer, and everything they do will be helping them improve their maths and understanding. It doesn't matter what level they're at. The idea is that the resources we have, thanks to the Aiming High website and Ainslie that we've been collaborating with for the last year during lockdown, thanks to their amazing resources, the games that we play have massive, solid, and lots of fun resources behind them. So what's our game for tonight? Our game for tonight is, well, have you ever played rock, paper, scissors? Yeah, okay, well, let's play rock, paper, scissors. I'm going to put this phone down here. Okay, and let me see if I might get some, yeah, I can see comments if you make them. So I'm going to go, you play with me, okay, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Now, what do the kids say? Spam, bam, boom, something. I'm going to say spam. Rock, paper, scissors, spam. Scissors, ha. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, spam. Okay, whatever you did. Okay, paper beats rock, scissors, rock beats scissors, and paper beats rock, paper, scissors beat paper. Something like that. Anyway, so that's 3 possibilities. So what does this have to do with maths? Well, for starters, it's 3 possibilities. We've got some statistics in there, which is, and it's not like, oh, this is statistics, we're going to do statistics today. It is simply the young learners having experience of, is it a fair game? Is anyone more likely to win than anybody else? And I don't mean, oh, you always win kind of winning. I mean, really, truly, is it more likely, because is anyone, if you play scissors, are you more likely to win? If you play paper, you're more likely to win. If you play rock, are you more likely to win? Just play the game. And we're going to go to the higher level one in a moment. But in the meantime, let's see if I can change the angle of this. Just got it on the back of the car there. Right. The angle isn't good enough yet. How about down here? You've got to be able to see my legs. So what we're going to do is it's something that my colleague Tony saw in Tiananmen Square, and that is whoever loses is going to start doing the splits. So you start with your feet together. You can go forward to back, or you can go side to side. I find it easier going side to side, especially when demonstrating this. So the idea is the person that loses, they start with your feet together, and each time you lose, your feet go further and further apart. The first person to put their hand on the ground because they lost their balance is the one who loses that round, but then you can play another round. So it's more like tennis, where it's game, set, and match, rather than each time there's a winner and a loser. You don't have to keep track to that level, you just have to keep track of the set, I suppose. So each game is, it results in the legs, a foot moving. The set is when someone puts their foot on the ground, and the match would be you just decide how many times you're going to play and find out who wins, and you can keep records of them if you want. That's all great for mathematical recording. Recording is really important in mathematics. So just record, just keep track of things, and I'll tell you about the other game in a moment. So here we go. Are you with me? Ready? I'm going to go rock, paper, scissors, spam. Okay. Oopsie. Sorry. Start with my legs together. So you can, as I say, you can start that way and move and do the splits that way. Or you can start sideways. It's a bit easier to do it this way. So rock, paper, scissors, spam. Okay, I'm going to assume that somebody somewhere have rock. So okay, rock, paper, scissors, spam. Somebody somewhere had scissors. Got that. Rock, yes, that's right. Two things get the no, that was paper. I decided that was against paper. Rock, paper, scissors, spam. Okay. Somebody had paper, so another put it out. Rock, paper, scissors, spam. Ha! Somebody had paper. Nyak, nyak, nyak. Rock, paper, scissors, spam. Oh no, rock. Oh dear. And it goes on and on and on and on until whee, you fall over. So that's the essence of the game. And then how does it move up? Because all our games go up different levels. And the activity pack that you can refer to today, you don't have to wait till the summer camp. Happy maths summer camp. Happy summer camp of maths, something like that, is the link to the activity is in the description, and it's got activities for all levels. And the other thing is it's a 7 cycle. So what has it got to do with maths? We've got probability, we've got statistics, because we're recording and we're seeing, we've got the probability is there one person more likely to win than another. We're actually analysing it. We can do if we want. But the thing is, all these things are happening in our head, whether we realise it or not. And then this is a 3 cycle one. So there's 3 possibilities, and you can look at all the different possibilities and is it a fair game. Then there's a 7 cycle one, so you can play that, and that is so. What I do is I print out, or you can draw it out. In fact, even better, get the young person to draw it out, and so you have there's 7 possibilities, and then they draw out, and there's arrows pointing at all the different ones. So who beats who and what beats what. So first of all, get that, and then they have a piece of paper with that on, so they can play it. And this is really, really popular. When I play it in the schools, they all want, can I keep this? Can I keep this? Can I keep this? Yes, absolutely. Go off, enjoy, play it to your heart's content. And it's like, but that's all about cycles, and it's a 7 cycle. It's another mathematical. It's about patterns. It's about cycles. It's about is it a fair game? Anyway, so you've got with that one, you've got rock, and you play it with 2 people. It's just there's 7 options: rock, scissors, paper. Got that? I don't know if I remember them. Well, that's 3. There's fire. There's water. There's air. That's 6. There's another one. Water. There's another one. There is another one. There's a 7th one. So download the activity and have a look for yourself. That will be one of the games that we play during the summer. We'll probably play that every time. That'll be something that we kind of start off with or play at some point during the game. And we'll play the 7 cycle one, unless we've got littlies. Littlies can play the little one, depending. But they'll be games at all different levels, and we're going to have lots of fun. Please do sign up, join us, and I'll see you tomorrow, 7 o'clock-ish, for tomorrow's game. Thank you for joining me. Caroline from Bubbly Maths with the Happy Maths Summer Camp. See you tomorrow. Bye.